Hi, my name is Dr. Christopher Pomfrett. I am MedTech Evidence and Technical Director at Device Access Limited. I am a clinical scientist, and prior to Device Access I worked for 11 years at the National Institute for Health and Care Excellence, or NICE, as a technical advisor for research commissioning. Prior to that, I worked for a year at the University of California, Irvine as a visiting professor, doing functional brain imaging on volunteers to validate one of my inventions, which was a depth of anaesthesia monitor called Fathom. Prior to that, I worked for 20 years at Manchester Royal Infirmary as a clinical scientist, doing research in operating theatres on patients actually being anaesthetised and then recovering from anaesthesia after surgery. The initial product assessment, or IPA, is not a beer. It is a product of Device Access Limited, and it is what it says in the title, an initial product assessment. I write the initial product assessments at Device Access, quite often bringing my 11 years of experience at NICE to the fore, and I look critically at the clinical evidence that has been collected and see if it matches the claims of benefit being made by the company. I will often go to the company website and look at their marketing information, because NICE do this as well, and I will actually see what's being claimed for the device and test whether the clinical evidence is actually there to meet those claims. And that's the primary reason why devices fail to get positive NICE guidance, because the claims of benefit are the wrong claims for the evidence that's been collected. And in 20% of medical technology's guidance, NICE say no, further research is needed. Whereas in reality, what should have happened was the company should have been more guarded with its claims based on evidence, in which case NICE would have said approved.